Good afternoon, all. My name is Arusan Kali Kurma, BSc Information Technology. I'm here to present my capstone project, which is the phase one of the capstone project. And the project title is a sales and event management system. The case study is Banks Enterprise and School of Technology. The web application here is the application type here is web applications. Of course, I've already done the desktop application. This is the web. So we go to the figure 1, which says the identification of problem. So background of the study. Banks Enterprise and the School of Technology is an institution that provides training services, sales of ICT materials and academic resources in Loanshare. The institution handles a wide range of products such as books, computer accessories, learning materials and office supplies, along with service like training courses. So like the Banks Enterprise in Loanshare, located at 24 Poloko Road, is a small enterprise that deal with ICT, also selling of office equipment, and also we do certificate courses there. So the institution or the enterprise is currently facing a lot of challenges. Like the one of the challenges here is what the organization relies on heavily on the manual record keeping. That is whenever they want to do their recording, they normally do it manual, that paper based, so including paper files, notebook and basic spreadsheet. So sometimes the enterprise also have a small database, which is the Microsoft Excel, wherein they can sometimes they do their recording. So the traditional method make it difficult to track sales transactions, manage stock level, monitor inventory movement and generate accurate reports. As the business continues to grow, the manual system has become inefficient, error prone, slow and insecure, leading to operational changes. So these are the challenges the enterprise is facing presently. Sometimes if they want to, since the enterprise is growing, they are finding it difficult to how best they can able to manage their daily basis or the daily transaction. Now this problem have led to inaccurate stock keeping and also insecure, since they are dealing with manual system. So the statement of the problem: the absence of a centralized, automated and real-time sales and event management system lead to. So these are some of the problems that normally faces there. 1. Inaccurate stock record, poor tracking of product, that if you want to track their product, that what they have sold for the day, so they cannot be able to manage it properly, since the lack of what the inventory the automated system. So also the difficulties in monitoring business performance, also data loss and poor record security. Of course, since they are dealing with a paper-based system, sometimes they normally lose their data and also lead to what poor record and poor security, that their record are not well secured. So these challenges reduce business efficiency, profitability and customer satisfaction, since their database since they are lack of database, where they can able to record all their transactions, their daily record. So this has lead to what to a loss, because they cannot be able to track all their record per day. Now, what is the justification of this problem? In implementing a web-based sales and event management system, that is the system that I want to implement now. This system will track the following: automate sales recording. So instead of paper-based system, they have to use the system to automate the sales recording. So also reduce human error, because this is a web application basis, wherein you can able to enter all their daily basis within a minute or an hour. Improve data security, since it is an application that is very secure. So also lead to what to security basis, wherein not every body will look into the system and also look to what they have said for a day. So the system will help banks, enterprise, and School of Technology to streamline operation, improve service delivery, and enhance business growth. Now, definition of the scope of the problem, that the figure 2.1, the scope, that the system functionalities. The proposed system will include the following features. That these are the features that the system that you want to build will provide. One, the user management ensures that the system, the login, that the authentication ensures that you log into the system first before ever you get rid of the system. You have to log in, and only in those that are given access that will able to enter into the system. So also the role-based access, that is the admin, the manager, the cashier, the event clerk. Then another thing there is the aims of the system again is what? Product management. So within the product management here, you can able to add product, you can able to edit product, you can able to delete product, and also view product with the dashboard. That also again you can able to categorize product. For example, if this product is mainly for A4P path, then it will tag that one. Also all the accessory, like for the computer, for the printer, you can able to categorize them. Also manage price, ensures that the actual price details is given. So event management again, so track record level, also automatic record after sales, and low stock alert. For example, and if I have a computer, let's say 100 computers, at the end of the day I enter the 100 computer, but I have a low stock. After selling them, it remains 5 computer. So the system will alert me that you have low stock level of so products. So also again the inventory history tracking, that is the sales and also the purchases made per day. Also the sale management, record sales transaction, that the daily transaction, monthly, and the weekly transaction, and also generate invoice and receipt. So this system can able to do that one again, and it can able to give automatic receipt, wherein it can be able to print this receipt and give it to the owner, to the customer. Calculate the total sales and profit within the yearly, or within the week or the daily. You can able to know how many products have you sold and how many amount of profit you sold again. Now moving forward, see customer management. So you can able to register customer you can able to register customer, able to track customer purchases history. That is if the customer is a walk-in customer, because like the system will emphasize on the walk-in customer and the regular customer. All this the system will track that one. The supply again, within the supply management here again, the inventory management system will ensure that it manages the supply information, also tracks supplies items. That is the supplier's ID, the country, the item the supplier is selling again. Also the report and analysis. As I said earlier, the system will ensure that the daily, weekly, and monthly sale report will be given. And also inventory status report. The status here, there is either the inventory is in low or is in high. Also the profit and loss. It will also track the profit and loss at the end of the day, the week, or the yearly or the month. So again, the system administration, that is the user's account control. The system can be able to control the users. Also the data backup, all the sales and the sales made per a day, per a month. It can able to it can able to back up all the daily basis. So we go to the figure 22.2, which is the out of scope, the system limitation. This system will not include the mobile application development. The system will not record that one. Also online payment processing, it cannot be able to do that one. Also the payroll management, it cannot be able to do.